we have to solve quadratic equation. When we have general form of quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then the formula for solution for quadratic equation is x1, 2 is equal negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. A is coefficient before x squared, b is coefficient before x, and c is constant. In our example, because I don't see that we can here factorize something, we will use this formula to solve this equation. So a is equal, coefficient before x squared is 9. B is equal, coefficient before x is negative 12, and c is equal 28. So our solution 1 and 2 will be, in the numerator we have negative b. So negative sign we have to copy from the formula, and b is negative 12, we will write in parentheses, plus minus, and we have square root of b squared, so we have negative 12 to second power, minus 4 times a, so times 9, and times c is 28. So we have over 2 times a, so this is 9. So this is equal. We have negative and negative, so it will be positive 12 plus minus, and now under square root negative 12 to second power, so this is 144, and we have negative sign. 4 times 9 is 36 times 28 over, we have 2 times 9 is 18. So this is equal 12 plus minus, and under square root we will have 144 minus 36 times 28. So this is equal negative 864 over 18. So this is equal, because under square root we have negative sign, it means we will use here I square is equal negative 1. So 12 we will copy, plus minus, and now under square root we will write that this is like negative 1 times 864. So over 18. So this is equal 12 we copy, plus minus, and now negative 1 is I squared. So we have under square root, we can write first number 864 times I squared over 18. So now we don't have negative number under square root. This is equal 12 we copy, plus minus, and now square root of I squared, so it will be I, and under square root we have 864. 864 we can rewrite that this is 4 to second power times 54 over, we have 18. So this is equal 12 plus minus I, and square, we have multiplication, so we can take square root of 4 to second power, so it will be 4, and under square root we have only 54 over 18. Now we can rewrite that this is 12 over 18 plus minus 4i square root of 54. So this is equal 12 and 18 we can divide by 6, so will be 2 and 3 over, of course I forgot, here should be over 18, and 4 and 18 we can reduce, so will be 2 and 9. So we have 2 over 3 plus minus 2 over 9. We can write square root of 54 times I. This is my solution. We got two solutions, imaginary solutions.